So we got some champagne and I'm going to try to pop it to make up for my fail in Mexico. This is Veuve Clicquot Ponsadin. Bro. Definitely butchered that. Okay, so what do I do?
Just pull it open. Oh my god, no, you're gonna break the TV. Just pull it open. Holy shit.
What do you
Oh my
mean?
god. Don't just pull it.
Pull it?
Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to.
No, you're gonna fucking rocket launch and break something. Jesus Christ. There you go, you see? Jesus. Scared the shit out of me. You almost rocket launched it at me.
This one is kind of dirty, the cleaner one. Ooh, it's like smoky. You could tell this is good champagne. Ooh, it's so bubbly. Look at that. You can stop recording.
Wild child, almost blow up the TV.
That's how I've been trying to open the
No.
things like all my life. Okay, come on, cheers. Let's eat our Chinese food. I definitely look gross in this video.
There you go.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia back at it again with another Vlogmas. So today's Sunday. Today is December 20th, so it is Vlogmas day 20, and it's already like almost it's 2:30 right now, and I'm just gonna get ready because my boyfriend and I are going to Rockefeller Center in New York. Tree. We're gonna go to the Winter Village. You know, I just feel like it's almost Christmas and I haven't been to the tree yet, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna do my makeup. I actually feel like looking cute today, so I'm gonna try to do my makeup. But I recently bought so many new makeup items that I should definitely try them out. So I'm gonna go for like a glittery look today. I recently bought this eyeshadow palette from Walgreens. It was on sale for I think $4. This is a Pixie by Petra palette, and oh, it's so pretty. The name of the palette is called Rose Bronze, and don't mind my nails, guys, sorry. Yeah, so let me just prime my lids. The lighting is not the best right now because I'm not really using my ring light. I'm just using natural lighting, and it's really gloomy outside. It just snowed actually like an hour ago, so it is not bright right now, but I hope you guys can still see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm going to be using my Amrezy palette as well by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the color New Yorker because that's me. And I'm just going to use that as a blending color on my crease, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Pixie palette. I'm gonna wet this shader brush with my mist, which is somewhere, oh, right here. I'm just gonna wet it, you know, the usual. And I'm gonna pick that color up and put it all over my lid. I don't really feel a need to cut my crease. I'm just trying to keep this look as simple as possible. So I can tell that this is very glittery. Okay, so I feel like I should have put an eyeshadow base under this, but oh, you know what? It's fine. It still looks good. Okay, that actually looks really cute, and it did not take a long time at all. So now I'm just gonna wear my mascara. Wow, that was really easy to do. Okay, so we're gonna wear mascara now. Just gonna wear a little bit of foundation now. I'm gonna wear the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. Just a little bit. Oh, it was too much. I definitely put on way too much foundation. This was definitely more than I wanted to put on. Which shows you a little goes a long way with this foundation. But since it's already on my face, I might as well blend it all in. Alright. I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit. This is the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I just feel like my face is really pale right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tap that on. Nothing worse than a pale face in the winter time. So I'm going to pop open this new lipstick that I purchased like a while ago. I think this is Jessica Alba's new line, Honest, and I got it at CVS. I think you can get it at almost like every pharmacy. I wanted to try out her liquid lipsticks, so I'm popping it open. Let me line my lips first. I'm going to use my go-to lip liner, Nude Truffle from NYX. Real up close and personal with you guys today. Alright, now I'm going to try this out. This is the Honest liquid lipstick in the color Passion. We all love Passion, you know. All right, I like the wand. Let's try it out. It's kind of sheer. Let me go grab a little bit more. There we go. I think I just grabbed a little bit in the beginning. Let me try it. Ooh, I love this color. It's very appropriate for the holidays. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has a weird lipstick smell to it. You know how like the old lipsticks have a smell to it? It kind of smells like that. Yeah, but it's really pretty. Like the consistency is nice, it's moisturizing. The color is nice. I just wish it didn't have that smell. But I like how it complements my eye look. It's very holiday appropriate, and I am going to the tree, so that is very appropriate, I think. All right, I don't really want to wear anything else. I was gonna wear a highlight, but I already feel like this is so much already, so I'm just gonna wear I'm just gonna set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh, it feels so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go pick out my outfit, and then we'll probably be on the way to the city. I'm driving today, so I probably won't vlog in the car. So I lied. I actually didn't end up driving. I don't know. I was just so lazy. But we're just getting some coffee at Starbucks, and then we're gonna get going on the road. Hi guys, so we just got home. We actually didn't stay in the city for too long. I don't know, I was just really cold and I'm like kind of low energy today, so we just walked around the winter garden, saw the we saw the tree from far away, and then we drove back, picked up dinner, and now we're gonna watch some TV and eat. It's Sunday, so it's like a chill day today. I'm freezing, I think. I don't know, I'm like really cold. I don't know why. I don't think I'm getting sick because I can still taste everything, I can smell, so I don't think it's COVID, knock on wood. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some hot tea and eat dinner.